What up, YouTube? This is part 8 of the K20 swap Integra. We're going to start deleting everything we don't really need that's left on the car. So we got slave cylinder, this line and everything all going to be deleted. These AC lines are going to be deleted. The box is going to be deleted. We got to take that mount off. We got to relocate these lines over to the side over here with the other lines I'm going to use. The power steering, since we're going to use the kit from Hybrid, we'll be deleting all that line right there. That comes all the way over here. Obviously the power steering pump and this reservoir. That fuel, will be deleting this whole system right here. And the one that's right here. So that line that goes all the way back to the tank, we're going to drop the tank. And then clean it up a little bit, and by the end of this video you should see this motor cleaned up and dropped into here. So I'll go ahead and get started. Alright, so now everything is all cleaned up. Took the AC lines off, took the slave cylinder, air box, you got all the power steering lines over here taken off. So it's basically getting in there. That mount's gone, the bar is gone. Basically, so what's next is just to take this off right here and drop the gas tank. That way we can get rid of these lines right here that go all the way to the back and run the new ones from the new tank. Other than that, I mean, it's pretty much prepped up for now. I mean, there's not much I have to do besides tuck some wires like these right here back into the dash. I'm not going to be using those. Same on this side, just tuck these back in. I might be using some of those wires because I think one of those are tapped straight to the starter, so I'll probably tap in to the starter from right there. But yeah, so basically I'm about to get ready to take this thing off. Probably gonna take me about an hour or so, or depending, I don't know, some of them are really on there and some will just come off. So I'm gonna take that off and drop the gas tank. I'll probably get under there to show you how the 2 bolts to drop it down, and then show you all the rest, everything I'm taking out from the actual bottom of the car. So let me get to that. Alright, so now I kind of got the engine bay cleaned up. I've been working on that mainly. Haven't got to the gas tank because the mount over here kind of took a little bit longer than I thought, but I finally got the K-series mount over here on here. The rear one is mounted, so I guess, I mean, I can drop the motor in now. I mean, it's basically ready. So I slightly cleaned it, but still gonna need more cleaning. I mean, it was pretty dirty, so I'll go ahead and drop it in right now so you can see how it looks. Alright, this is it. I was gonna drop the gas tank in, but I wanted just to see the motor in, and I'm already getting tired. So this is how it looks. I mean, still got to do some cleaning up, but I mean, you can see the hood is getting a lot cleaner. Everything looks a lot better. So I'll be doing some more touch up tomorrow and start wiring it up. Probably do the gas tank tomorrow. That'll be the first thing I do, and that'll basically be it for this video. So stay tuned for the next one. Subscribe, ring that bell, like, comment, and stay tuned. See you guys later.